Are you planning to do dropshipping in the US? Well, then there's a good chance you need an LLC sooner or later. And in this video, I'm gonna quickly explain when you need an LLC for your dropshipping business. Also, how you open an LLC really fast and really affordable. Doesn't take more than a few minutes. So with that being said, let's just get into it right here. Dropshipping is still a really popular type of business, and many foreigners want to do business in the US, and one of the first ways to do that is dropshipping. But when do you actually need an LLC? When does it make sense? Can you just do it from abroad with your own business in your home country? Well, that's a question a lot of people have. And I think the general rule is that when you start to see ongoing business, like recurring sales, well then within not too long, let's say 6 to 12 months, well then it could make sense to open an LLC. Because again, there can be a lot of money to be saved having an LLC. And some of the reasons why an LLC is important for when you do dropshipping, you see right here, I put together a list with all of them. But some of the important ones I want to talk about is one, other US businesses would prefer that you have a US business, so they're not working with a foreign business. That is one thing that will help you. It will make it easier for you to make deals. There will be more trust because they can see this is an LLC with the address, they know, one can trust and all that. So that will help you a little bit. The next thing that is really important is receiving the payment. So if you have a LLC and you have a US business bank account, then it will be much easier for you and much faster to receive the payments that you need versus if it has to go to a foreign account. It can take days. Also, there's exchange rates, different interest, and then this way you end up paying a lot more in the transactions versus if it was just to a domestic US bank account. That is some things that are really important. If you decide to move forward with your LLC for your dropshipping business, well then the first thing you need to do is to find a formation service that you want to use. So basically this is different companies that is specialized in helping you open your business. And there is many different companies. I've talked about a lot of these different services in other videos, but if I should just point out two that I really like, well then that is Doola and then Bizee. So both of these companies have great reviews, are affordable, and in general a great solution for a lot of entrepreneurs, whether they're based in the US or outside. And the reason why I like these two companies is that Doola is really focused on foreign entrepreneurs, so foreigners that want to do business in the US. They have solutions starting from $297 plus the state filings, so maybe it's somewhere between $400 or $500 to getting started with the cheaper plans. They also have more expensive plans where you get like full compliance and bookkeeping and this and that. But you could start out with just the startup plan first, just to get your business up and running basically. And a solution like that one have all the things you need, the EIN number, which is the most important, but of course also you will have address and other things that you can see here on this list. And it's kind of similar with Bizee, though Bizee is not focused on foreign entrepreneurs, but there's no problem that you open LLC as a foreigner with Bizee. And the pricing is kind of similar. They also have a plan for $0, but I would not recommend that one because you need the EIN number. So I would choose either the plan for $199 or the one for $299. And then you get all the things you need. Also, they have some plans with compliance that you can pay for afterwards, like some subscription services. And actually really competitive pricing for that as well. So if it's important for you with the compliance and all, they have really good prices on these types of solutions. And also it doesn't take long to open your business. You can see here, it's a couple of weeks, maybe a maximum of 8 weeks if it's really slow. Sometimes it depends on the state and the solution you choose, but it should just take a couple of weeks and then you have your LLC with all the information you need to move forward with your dropshipping business. So that's what I would recommend. Check out those two companies. Of course, there's also many other formation services out there, but this is the two ones that I personally recommend and have the most experience with. Also, I have links in the description to Doola and Bizee with promo codes. So if you plan to open your LLC, well then remember to use those links and those promo codes. Now let's imagine that you have your LLC for dropshipping and you're almost ready to do business, but there's one thing missing, and that is to have a US business banking account. Here there's a couple of different solutions, but if you're a foreigner that is doing this and want to do business in the US, the best solution I would say is Mercury Bank. So Mercury Bank is specialized in helping foreign entrepreneurs that want to do business in the US. And you can do all of this from abroad. You don't need to go to the US. You don't need anything else than your EIN number, like the tax number for your business, and then your own personal information. And then you can get a business checking account and also a debit card and other features that you can see right here. They also have paid plans as well, but I just were using the 3 plan. I think that was fine for me for my need. But this is really the best solution out there. You can also check out other solutions such as Relay or Wise. You could also reach out to some of the traditional banks, for example, Chase, Bank of America, and etc. but this will be more difficult, and there's a chance you need to go to the US to actually open that bank account. So I think Mercury Bank is really the best solution for your LLC for dropshipping, basically. So that's my recommendation. There's a link in the description. Again, it's completely for free, it doesn't take long, and then you basically have all the things you need. So I hope this video helped you a little bit in your process with your dropshipping business. Also, I added links in the description to both Doola, Bizee, and also other information services, and then also Mercury Bank. So you have the full plan in front of you. Should not take long and really easy. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to hit the like and subscribe. That will help me so much making more videos like this. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.